So as you can see, we are here in my blockchain wallet and it has zero balance T. It's a new blockchain wallet. Okay, we're gonna do a transaction, and this is the transaction, which is 0.00347982. Okay, we're gonna confirm that in the wallet. So just right click, then get inspect, wait for a few seconds over here, then click to cancel. Read the caution with care. Okay, as you can see that if you put someone code over here without knowing that what's that, you maybe lose your money. So make sure you make new blockchain wallet with an empty balance. Okay, so I'm using my own code, so I don't need to worry about that. Okay, just clear everything from here. After you read that and agree, then paste your script over here, select all, right click and copy your script, and then minimize it and paste your script over here. Press the enter button, box pops up open here. We just need unconfirmed transaction hash ID. Okay, copy the clipboard and we can put over here. Click OK. Do you want to send transaction? Yeah, I want to send this transaction. Click OK. Once again click OK and close everything from here. Everything's done. Just refresh the balance to see the magic. So as you can see, our balance received successfully in the wallet. Okay, let me show you the date. It's Tuesday, 20 January 2026. Okay, as you can see, let me up and down, scroll it up and down because of watermark. This is the watermark of number, my WhatsApp number. Okay, let me refresh it for you once again. Okay, so yeah, that's it, and this is the transaction. It will maybe take maximum 1 hour to complete. Maybe it will confirm right now during the video. Let's see. Okay, yeah, it's confirmed. As you can see, it's 100% confirmed. Yeah, so this is the channel. If you want to subscribe, you can subscribe it for more related videos. Take care of yourself. Goodbye, see you in the next one.